Welcome. Today you'll discover how to build something once and let AI generate income from it every single day. In the next few minutes, you'll learn to create digital templates with AI, where to sell them for passive income, and how to automate the whole system so you earn while you sleep. Templates are the simplest digital products. You build them once, and they can sell forever. AI handles most of the hard work. Before creating anything, the first crucial step is to choose your niche wisely. Head to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Look for bestsellers with many reviews and products, priced between $7 and $25. Then, ask ChatGPT for 10 template ideas in your chosen niche that solve real problems and aren't saturated. Commit to one niche for predictable sales. Once your niche is set, it's time to build your template. And this is where AI truly shines. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to create the structure, labels, and instructions for your template, making it clean and beginner-friendly. Copy ChatGPT's content into Canva. Choose a clean layout, add icons, adjust spacing, and export as a PDF or editable file. No design skills needed. For Notion or Google Sheets templates, ChatGPT can also write formulas and workflows. Plug them in, share a duplicate link, and you have a complete product in under 20 minutes. Now, let's get your passive income engine live by listing your template. List your template on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website. Use ChatGPT again to write an SEO-optimized title and description for your listing. Focus on saving time and staying organized. Create attractive mockups and preview slides in Canva to showcase your template's contents. Price your template between $7 and $25 or higher for bundles. This next part is where your passive income truly becomes passive. Gumroad handles instant delivery. Zapier can automate thank you emails, bonus templates, and even add buyers to your newsletter. Pinterest is excellent for long-term traffic. Repurpose your preview images into short-form content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. One set of assets, multiple platforms, compounding traffic. One solid template can bring in $50 to $150 a month. A small shop of 3 can earn a couple hundred. 10 templates, especially in one niche, can reach $1,000 or more monthly. You built these once, you're not trading time for money. That's the power of automation and digital products. If you want a simple, realistic way to build passive income with AI, templates are a great start. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit in the description and subscribe for more daily videos on building smart income with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.